Welcome back to True Crime PhD. This is the 10th day of Sean Diddy Combs' federal trafficking and racketeering trial. Significant testimony was provided by his former assistant Capricorn Clark, and Clark, who served as Combs' director of marketing from 2004 to 2012. She detailed a series of alarming incidents that shed light on Combs' alleged behavior. Clark recounted a 2011 incident where Combs was armed with a gun, appeared at her residence, and compelled her to accompany him to the home of rapper Kid Cudi. And he's also known as Scott Mescudi. He previously did a testimony last week. This confrontation was reportedly fueled by Combs' discovery of a romantic relationship between Cudi and Combs' ex-girlfriend, Cassie Ventura. Now, Clark testified that Combs expressed intentions to harm Cudi, stating they were going to unalive Kid Cudi. She described feeling kidnapped and feared for her life during this episode. In her testimony, Clark also described witnessing Combs physically assault Ventura, and she recalled an incident where Combs dragged Ventura from the bed and in a fit of rage repeatedly kicked her while the security guard stood by without intervening. Clark noted that she was threatened with harm if she attempted to stop the assault. Unable to contact the authorities, she reached out to Ventura's mother for assistance. During cross-examination, Combs' defense attorney Mark Agnifilo, the lead attorney in the case, questioned Clark about her continued professional relationship with Combs despite the alleged incidents. Clark admitted to returning to work for Combs in 2016 after facing challenges securing employment elsewhere. She stated that he held all the power as it related to me. The defense presented emails from Clark to Combs expressing a desire to reconcile the professional relationship. This also included messages where she referred to having the biggest crush on him. Clark explained these communications as attempts to maintain a professional rapport in a challenging industry. The court adjourned with plans to hear from additional witnesses, including members of Los Angeles police and fire departments, as well as other former employees of Combs. The trial is progressing ahead of schedule, with the prosecution potentially concluding their case within 5 weeks instead of the initial projected 6. Combs has pled not guilty to all the charges, including the trafficking, racketeering, and related offenses. The trial continues to unfold, with further testimonies anticipated in the coming days. Also, the court will begin at 8:30 each day, so that is whenever I will typically record the updates. But I always update at the end of the day, so at the end of the day, we will always have a final overall date